What are the elements or ingredients he has to combine in order to produce an artwork? Looking at any piece of art, some, if not all, of the elements are present, and some are even prominent in the artwork. Let me show you the elements of art that we can see in the world-renowned painting by Juan Luna, the Spolarium. The painting was awarded with the highest distinction during an art exhibition in Spain. The elements such as lines, shapes, space, texture, color, and shadow are observable in the artwork. In the next slides, I'm going to show some examples of these elements which can be found in various visual arts. Let us first discuss the element called line. What is a line? Line is a pathway, either visible or implied, that moves the eye in a piece of artwork. A line is a prolongation of a point. It may be straight or curved according to its direction. It may be broad or fine. A horizontal line implies peace, tranquility, contemplation, and serenity. Horizontal lines are mostly found in landscapes like the one we have here. It gives a sense of infinity. The vertical line, on the other hand, signifies poise, aspirations, dignity, solemnity, and height. Look at the direction of the skyscrapers. Skyscrapers are found in metropolitan areas. These tall buildings are to some extent manifestations of the city's aspirations for progress. The statue of one of our heroes, Calipulaco of Mactan, called Lapu-Lapu by the Spaniards, has an implied vertical line showing dignity. The same implied line can be seen in the direction of spires in Gothic cathedrals, indicating the solemnity of the structure, pointing to the heavens. On the other hand, diagonal lines suggest actions or movements. Curved lines are graceful and show life and energy. Here are some examples of artwork with curved lines. Another element of art is shape or form. All visual arts are concerned with form. Sculptures and architecture deal with three-dimensional forms, although sculpture deals with exterior form alone, but because we do not get inside a sculpture, but we always get inside the building. Shapes can be geometric or organic. Geometric shapes include shapes such as rectangle, square, circles, and all quadrilaterals. On the other hand, organic shapes are shapes which are found in nature. The shape of rocks, trees, lakes, field are not classified to geometric shapes. Shapes or forms like line can be visible or implied. Let's take a look on this painting, The Wanderer Above the Sea of Fog. The shaped triangle is formed here. The base of the triangle is on the cliff and its apex lies on the head of the man standing. The triangle is one of the most stable geometric shapes, as if to say the man, no matter how foggy his life is, remains stable as a triangle. The next element of art is texture. Texture engages our sense of touch. Soft, silky, rough, bumpy, slick, grainy. All of these tactile qualities can be represented with drawing or painting medium, triggering our brain to imagine what the surface may feel like. Texture can be classified as visual or perceived. This emerges when light falls across a surface. Light defines even the subtlest of peaks and dips, helping us read the feel of the surface. Another kind of texture is the physical or actual texture. This refers to the physical texture of a surface, one that you can touch and feel. Value as an element of art refers to the relative lightness or darkness of a color or a black. Value is what gives a shape the appearance of three-dimensional form. Using a range of values to render an object will help you suggest highlights, shadows, curves, corners, and texture. In color theory, a tint is the mixture of a color with white, which increases lightness, and a shade is the mixture of a color with black, which reduces lightness. Tone is a mixture of color with gray. Here are a few examples. Space is an art element which is concerned with making all parts functional so that all parts of the work of art contribute to make the whole a complete art. Space exists as an illusion of numerical representation. Sometimes beginning artists has the tendency to fill the picture plain with as much subject matter as possible, cramming the scene with forms and utilizing every inch of empty space. However, remember that the eye relies on an area of connectivities to rest and yes, the scene.